Hi there, and welcome to another unboxing. Today we're looking at Kill Team Nachmund? Nachmund? I think it's Nachmund, right? Much anticipated release of this Kill Team, as it has the Aeldari Corsairs as well as Chaos Kill Team as well. Chaos and Aeldari in Kill Team. We're getting a unit for each of these for our Kill Team games. And so I've been really looking forward to this, not just because of the Aeldari, but mainly because of the Aeldari. It's Corsairs, man. I mean, like, man, I don't know how many people are going to be snapping this up just for the Chaos and Aeldari units. Of course, it's Kill Team, and this one here is a nice big box. This one is, pretty much like the core box game sets. And let's just have a quick look at the back here. And of course, it comes with all this terrain. It comes with a 30 by 22 Kill Team game board, Mechanicus terrain, and of course includes 20 Citadel miniatures, full Voidscarred Kill Team, full Legionary Kill Team as well. And of course, it also comes with the rules manual and transfer sheets for both the Corsairs and the Chaos Legionnaires. I think this is really, really exciting. Man, I mean, like, look at these models. But this is an unboxing, so let's dive in. I'm just gonna get my trusty rusty blade out, my dull knife apparently, and let's just dive in. Oh wait, I got it opened on the wrong side here. That's okay. We just flip it right over. Oh my god. Oh my god. And it's heavy. This is a heavy duty release. Oh man, I'm excited. Oh, let's have a peek. Oh my gosh, this thing is packed to the gills. So we got a box, or a baggie of bases, a whack ton of terrain, all the pipes and such. Oh, these big container thingy-me-bobbers. Man, this is these energy doodad thingy or energy coil plasma thingies. I don't know what they're called. I'm just going to keep calling them plasma thingies. Ooh, look at this little bit. I wonder if anybody's going to be converting that into anything, like a jet nozzle or something. I'm sure there's plenty of orc players out there who've probably been eyeballing up this stuff for a long while, saying to themselves, oh, that would be perfect on this conversion. I'm sure there's plenty of you out there. I'm sure. Oh, this is the little crane thing. Oh, I didn't notice it on the back of the box. Yeah, I like this piece. Mainly because there's a lot of great stuff that a lot of this terrain fits in as well with Necromunda as well. But yeah, look at this stuff. Platforms. But here we go. This is the real nitty gritty here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So this is an Aeldari sprue. You can see a little staff. Multi-part. I was thinking that these guys were probably going to be more like monopose. But there is a little bit of wiggle room. That's very, very exciting that there is a bit of wiggle room. What sprue is this? Oh, this is a Chaos weapon sprue. It's got the minigun, chain axe, some sort of doodad. Oh, I think that goes on probably on his backpack or something, right? Yeah. If anybody really wants a good picture, I suppose, just pause this frame and zoom in a bit. But I'm sure there's plenty of images of these sprues around. Oh my gosh. This is more of the Aeldari stuff. I see cloaks. Or is this Chaos? Is this both? Oh, I didn't even check for that to see if this was both Chaos and Aeldari on the same sprue. But no, it does not look like it. There's even a warp spider backpack. There's that D-cannon. Oh man. Oh man, let's put these over here. And so we got the sprues of the Chaos Warriors. Very, very cool. Yeah. Chaos Warriors. What do we got here? And more Chaos Warriors. Lots of backpacks. I do not know if these do not look like the same sprues that came in the Eldritch Omens box, but I don't know if these are the normal Chaos Marines with the addition of this sprue. I'm sure many of you Chaos devotees will know the answer to that one. But yeah, that's it for the Chaos sprues though. It's about 3 sprues. Looks like ones with like upgrades, and then of course there's a bunch of weapons and arms on this one, and then backpacks and bodies and shoulder pads on this one. Very, very cool. A little bit of artwork. The kill teamage. The killing of team. Of course, we get our rulebook, instruction guides. I'm not bothering opening this. And of course, we have our board, the gaming board. Very, very cool. And then of course, we also get our transfer sheets. So it looks like a pretty standard fare for the Chaos and the Eldar. Yeah. Very, very nice. Lots of options. This is what we saw in the Eldritch Omens. I would suspect that every Eldar kit that comes out moving forward will probably come with one of these sheets. Unless, of course, they start adding in the lesser-known craft worlds in there, but who knows? I imagine if enough people start, whining and complaining, they'll probably adjust it. But yeah, that's it. That's the unboxing. This is something that I have been waiting a lot for. And yeah, you know what? Now look at this thing. Is this enough bases? I imagine it is, right? But that's it. That's the unboxing. Hopefully you guys found this somewhat informative, somewhat interesting. And yeah. See you guys in the next one. And take care of those brushes. They'll take care of you. A big thank you to all my patrons. Without your support, this channel would not be able to continue to do what it is that I do. And so a huge, huge thank you to everybody who continues to support this channel and all the things that I try to do. All right, I'll see you guys later.